Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new note on the Notewise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. If you want to create a new note, you can find the blue icon, the lower right corner of the screen. Click the new note button, and that's it. You can find different tools. You can draw on your paper, you can write, you can add different shapes and different photos and others. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.